This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at department name or description programming on the XEA202 or 301 registers. So my previous videos we've shown how to set up prices, how to set up tax rates, how to apply those tax rates to different departments. And now I'm going to show you how to give your sales departments descriptions. So on this machine, if you're not familiar with it, your sales departments are these buttons here. You have 16 buttons, you have a total of 50 departments. The first 16 are easy to access, so you just type in a price and press the button. The second 16, so numbers 17 to 32, are accessed by the department shift key, and the final buttons 33 to 50, so the final departments, are accessed through the department hash key. So I'll show you how. So there's 3 different ways of programming them. It's more difficult to do the higher up numbers, so I'll start with the easy ones because that will cover everyone, and then some people will want department 17 to 32 and then 33 to 50. So if you've got the manual, page number 38 I think it is, sorry, page number 36 will be helpful. That's where I'm getting this information from. First thing you need is obviously the MA key, and you need to turn that around to the PGM position. So all programming on the register is done in PGM. And then to tell the till that you want to do description department text programming, you press the hash TMST button here. You then press number 1 followed by the decimal point key. You now press the department key that you want to program for departments 1 to 16. I'll explain how to do the others later on in the video. So for department 1, you press it, and then now we can type in the characters up to a maximum of 12 for the description that will appear on the receipt and on the report when you sell items through this department. So I'm going to call my department 1 groceries. So you can see, if you look closely on the till, all the department keys and some of the function keys have letters on them. So we can have groceries, GROCERIES, and then we save it by pressing hash TMST. If you're just doing 1, you would now press TLNS. I am going to do that just to show you what prints out. If we weren't, if you look at the flowchart in the manual, you can now jump straight back to pressing the next department, and I'll do that next time I program one, but I just wanted to go all the way through on the first one so we can see, get a little printout. Department 1, groceries. The T1 is a tax that I've previously programmed in, and the price is obviously previously programmed in as well. So now let's go to another department. So we have to start again because of the way I've done that one. So it's hash TMST 1 dot, and then you press the button. So department number 2 on programming, I'm going to program that to be fuel. So again, you type in characters using the buttons here. When you've typed in the description, it's hash TMST to save, and then if that's your last department or you're only programming 1, you then press TLNS to save and exit the program. I'm now going to jump to department 3. So all you do is press department 3, comes up with number 3, and you can now type in your description for number 3. As with the others, it's TMST to save, and then I'm not going to go through and program all 16. I'm now going to jump to department 17, so that'll be one that I have to access via the shift button. So all we do is we've saved the one we've just done, and then instead of just pressing department 17, because we can't, we press department shift and then the button department 1, which is also department 17, and you get the department number appearing on the display to confirm. As with the others, you can now just type in your description. Again, once you've finished, TMST to save. I've also got department 20 to do, so it's department shift, this button here for department 20. Department 20 comes up to confirm that's the one you're programming, and then you type in your description. If you make a mistake, you have got backspace here, so I'm just going to delete, press backspace, and it talks back one number, and then you can enter your button correctly. Once you're happy with your description, TMST to save. You can feed this on, so because you can only see the one I just did, so you see Department 1, Department 2, if you feed that on, we've got Department 3 and Department 17 and Department 20, so you can double check straight away you've done it correctly. I'm now going to jump to Department 35, so I have to enter that slightly differently. So instead of pressing the department key or the department shift, I have to type in the number. So it's 35, and then press this button here, dept hash, and then we get Department 35 appearing there, and then it's now entering the description as normal. I need the Y, and I've covered these up. U, X, which one's the Y? W, I'm going to go for that one. I'll remove those for my other programming videos. I should have taken those off before. Once you're happy with description, or as happy as you can be in my circumstances, you press TMST to save it. And then I'll just do Department 40 as well. So again, it's 40 and the dept hash, because we cannot press Department 40 button, obviously, because there isn't one. And then we type in the description. Space, I haven't had to put a space in. Space, you might not be able to see it on the video. It's the bottom button that says space on it, but it's also got the discount minus button symbol on it as well, just here. That gives you your space. TMST to save, and then TLNS. Okay, so the one I guessed at the Y wasn't, so I need to pop that back in. But as you can see how easy it is to change, I can just go and find out which button. In fact, I'll do it now. Let's give you a demonstration of how these caps come off as well. So there's the Y. So if you do one wrong, it's not the end of the world. So we need to do Department 35 again. So back to PGM, TMST, 1 decimal points, 35, dept hash, comes up with Department 35. We now need to type in the whole, that's the only annoying thing, you have to type in the name in its entirety rather than just edit the last one. So much easier when you can see them. TMST and then the TLNS. If you ever get stuck with this and you don't want to remove, you've got your personalised caps over the top, you can refer to the manual, because the manual will have somewhere near the start of it, will have a master sheet showing you where all the buttons are. Obviously it's easier if you can see it on the till itself. Again, once you finish with your programming, key back to reg. I've got some other preset ones, so where are we? That must be an open price. Which ones did I program? I think I programmed 35 as well. There we go, we'll just do those for now. So there we go, it just looks a lot smarter on your receipt if you've programmed the descriptions in there rather than the standard sharp descriptions. So okay, I hope that video has been helpful. I have other videos showing you how to preset the prices, set the tax rates, and also program the individual PLU descriptions, and also the shop receipt header message. So check out the website sharphelp.co.uk or subscribe to this YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching.